get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey my royalty, I'm coming to you today with another review of a Love Me hair wig. Yes, this is my 2 for 2 buy from them, and stay tuned because I have some good news about this body wave. Alright guys, so I want to show you how this wig held a curl, especially with the curl iron they gave, which I think is really nice. I did put some use my wax stick so it's a little shiny on top. All right, the ends are a little split, so I'm gonna probably have to go in and cut these ends because I don't like split ends on my hair, and I definitely don't like it on the wig. So let's see how this curling iron that they gave for free as a gift works, and then how the hair holds the curl. I think I had heated this up for like 5 minutes. I didn't really heat it up that long. So let's see. Oh yes. Okay. Yes. I like when people don't give you gifts and they're not cheap. So the curl iron is good. This really holds a curl really pretty. So let's do one more for you guys. And let's see how this goes. I'm definitely gonna have to clip the ends. They're like a little split, but this hair is gorgeous. Okay, like I said, I did get this curl iron as a gift. I didn't even hold it in there for long, and it came out pretty. All right, Love Me hair, you guys are doing it. Thank you for the free curling iron. I love it very much. All right guys, so I ordered from Love Me hair once again. I really like this company. I am not sponsored. They need to sponsor me, okay? Because I'm telling you guys, their hair is amazing. So they had a 70% off their body wave 180 density lace front wig, and so I got it in 12 inches, honey, because I was on a budget. So I got it in 12 inches, which I do. If you guys know, a lot of my hair is like 12, 14, 16, so I was fine with that. So it's 180% density, and it came really quick, and I love it. It's super full, so I just kind of just twisted the front. I've been running all day, so I just did this review for you guys from coming in from getting my nails and things done. So yeah, this is the hair. I mean, it's super thick. This is definitely 180% density, and it came with some cute little gifts. It has a little clip. I got the comb, came in this bag with the wax. Oh, it came with some adjustable straps, which I love because if my glue is getting loose, I know my cap is secure. It came with some tweezers, some bobby pins, and another extra strap. So yeah, but I love this little clip. So let's get right into it. No shedding. It does. Oh, how did I forget? She came with this curling iron, honey. I'm just saying. Okay. And she works really good. It does do a curl. I'm gonna heat up my curl iron so you guys can see how it does a curl. The curl iron is really good, actually. So I was in the convertible today, so it really blew my curls out. But the body wave, it's, you know, it has this natural curl, so that was good. This side is a little tighter. This side is a little loose, so I just have to work with that. Now, I do have to bleach the notch. Like I said, I just really basically threw this wig on out the box, but of course I did pluck front. But I want you guys just to see, honey, baby girl. Okay, look at this lace. She's beautiful. Like I said, I've been out, so she's not really completely down, but look at how beautiful that is. I mean, I did have to pluck it, and as you can see, I do have to bleach the knots a lot, but she's gorgeous. Look at this. And she's full, and she's not too shiny, but very healthy. And yes, I'm gonna have to manipulate it a little bit, but I feel good that I didn't feel bad wearing this right out the box. You know, some wigs, when you wear it right out the box, it feels wiggy. I felt really good with this, you know. Oh, did my lace just lift? But yeah, you know, the wind was blowing and I felt very comfortable, very secure. Look at that. So yeah, again, I give Love Me Hair for their body wave. Oh, how much I paid for this? $129.90. Like I said, it was 70% off. And yeah, I really love this hair. I'll do another review maybe a month later after I manipulate it a little bit, let you know how it held up. But for the most part, 5 stars. I mean, you guys, they have their stuff together. So I do recommend their body wave. Very beautiful, very full, very pretty, and affordable too. All right, guys, I will be coming to you guys with another review. My next review is going to be on the HD lace wig that I got, transparent lace that I got from AliExpress. I will be doing a review on that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and happy holidays. Bye.